Welcome back, nail queens. Today we are doing some Valentine's Day nails with a little bit of nail art. So I already have Mani Boss peel base on my nails. I've used UNT for about a year now, but Mani Boss, they have some good peel base in my opinion. My right hand agrees. As you can tell, I already have some pop-offs. Anyways, so for today's mani, I'm going to be working with 2 all powdered up colors and 1 color from Revel Nail's Ice Mystery Box. If you don't know who Nicole McArthur is, check her out on Instagram and on YouTube. She asked me to do a Mani Twin Monday with her. She picked out the colors and I kind of picked out the layout and we figured it out together and we came out with this Mani Twin. So I really love how it turned out. At first it was a little difficult how to envision how to incorporate gray into a Valentine's Day manicure, but at the end it all came together and I really loved it. So the pink color that I'm using here today is called Sweet Pea from All Powdered Up. The other color is called Don't Go Bacon My Heart. So bacon, the food, the wonderful bacon for breakfast, yes. I absolutely love the names of this trio set that she released for Valentine's Day. Sweet Pea is actually going to be a mainline color. She will be bringing it back as a mainline color and I'm so glad because it is a beautiful and easy to work with pink. I do think because my liquids are so thin that you're going to need 3 dips with Sweet Pea just so you 1000% are sure there's no translucent spots and everything and you don't file too much off when you're doing your buffing. But other than that, Sweet Pea, put her on your shopping list if you don't already have her. So far, I'm really digging it. I do think the coverage on the thumb could really use 1 more coat, so I'm going in for my 3rd coat. This is why I think it's like important to do an extra 3rd, because when you file, shape, and buff, if you don't encapsulate your colors in clear, because I don't, then you're going to buff away some of that color. It's just natural, it happens. So I wanted to make sure that it was completely thick enough so that when I buffed, it didn't take away the color. Like, do I like it at 2 layers? Yes, but I know I'm going to do some buffing and I don't want to bring it down to like 1.5. Anyways, I'm pleased with this so far and I'm going to move on to the glitter portion of the manicure. Sub-Zero is one of the colors from Revel's Ice Mystery Box. I did a whole unboxing of their Fire and Ice Mystery Box, so if you want to check that out, I'll link the video here. I do think they have great colors in those mystery boxes, and I really do like that Nicole pulled out this color from the mystery box. I probably would have never picked it myself. Knowing me, I would have picked like a red. So, I don't know, it's just interesting to match colors that you normally wouldn't reach for. So, I'm really digging that. It's already like 1 coat coverage basically on my nail. It is a very, very, very good coverage color. I also think that it has the possibility of chroming. I can kind of tell when I apply it. But what I'm doing here is I'm just going to ombre it on my tips because I'm going to put Don't Go Bacon My Heart from All Powdered Up on top of this. So I want to give it a little something, like a little oomph of, I don't know if you're going to even be able to see it. I don't know. Don't ask, don't judge me. I thought I was being cool. I don't know. So now it's time to bring out the bacon, the dip powder. Don't go bacon my heart, that one. Though some bacon, I could go for some bacon right now. Also, I'm going to be working with a little bit of clear, not much. The Mani Boss one, I really do enjoy it. So I'm just trying to make like my middle finger is still sticky and I don't want that before I go ombre. And then also my ring finger, that one I'm going to put an entire layer of clear dip powder on it before I stamp, because I already put peel base on it, so I don't want to put like my stamp directly over peel base. I want some bulk to it. So now it's baking time. Actually, I was a little early last time when I just said that. Now it's truly baking time. So I'm going to put the baking color on the tips of this finger where I put Sub-Zero. And when I'm ombreing, I'm using this eyeshadow brush from Triple D. It is a denser, smaller, more compact one than I'm used to. So it doesn't really pick up the bigger pieces of this color. It really does pick up the smaller pieces great, but the bigger pieces it doesn't. So I'm going to have to actually individually place those smaller pieces. This baking color has so many different shapes and so much dimension to it. Like there's like diamond shapes. I feel like there's lines, there's hearts. It's a really truly unique color. I wish it wasn't exclusive and limited edition. Hopefully she does remake this color but without the hearts and replaces the hearts for like hex or circles. I think it would be a huge hit, but I really do love this color, so that's why I'm individually placing so that I can get some dimension on there. Like, we're gonna zoom in right now. Hold on. Okay, so pay close attention. She has so many different shapes here, so much going on, and it truly makes such a beautiful mixture. I really do think Jen is the owner of All Powdered Up. She is a true artist. She has an eye for these mixes. She's a magician. I could call her all these great names. I do think that she comes up with beautiful colors. So I know that she opens back up on the 6th for new release time, so definitely head over there at 11 a.m. CST to get her new colors because they are all jaw-dropping. So baking time is basically over, so it's time to activate the snail and my ring finger, and then we're gonna go get started into the nail art portion of this, which the idea for the nail art portion was to make most of the stamp neutral and then take out one heart and make that heart pink. So I did have to do some filing, shaping, and buffing before I got started. And the plate that I'm using today is Maniology's M117 plate. It is their Valentines plate that they released last year. So I think I'm going to do this heart one or this one or this one. There's so many heart options and I'm really having a hard time finding out which one will work best. So I'm going to play around and see which one I like. I also get my stamping polishes from Maniology. Most of the time I get them in their subscription. They offer an $18 subscription and a $25 subscription. The $18 subscription comes with 2 stamping plates and a fun item, and the $25 one comes with 2 stamping plates, fun item, and 2 stamping polishes that really go with the theme of that month. So if I really like the polishes that month, I'll upgrade to the $25 one. If I don't really care for it, I'll downgrade to the $18 one. If I don't like any of it, I'll skip the subscription for that month. So this stamp, I wasn't in love with it. I don't really like how it turned out. It's just too sparse on the nail. I really want it to be more coverage, so I'm just buffing everything off really quickly so that I can start over. I don't want to use acetone to remove the stamp because I have dip powder underneath it and it will melt the dip powder. So I'm going to try this stamp down here instead. So the hearts and the arrows didn't work. So let's try the one that has literally the same size heart on every single corner of the stamp. The one to the left of it is cute, but there's just so much going on. I don't want it to be that complicated. I don't know if you noticed, but I removed a small piece of the stamp with a dotting tool because what I'm going to do now is stamp a pink heart using that same exact image from the plate into that spot. So this pink matches the Sweet Pea dip powder just like perfectly. It's so beautiful. So I'm taking this stamp on the corner, and then I quickly realized that half of the heart is cut off because I got the corner of the design. So I need to start over and find a full heart and stamp that one. So I'm just gonna fix that real quick and then we'll be finished. So this is the practically finished look. I'm gonna go top coat everything so you guys can see it all done and glossied up. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really do hope that you enjoyed this video and this I don't think it's a traditional Valentine's Day manicure. I did kind of like switch things up a little bit. Anyways, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you get notified of more videos to come. Bye!